Hi there, welcome to Infinity Ahzee.
Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Climate change is the most important issue in the present world. The causes of climate change can be divided into two categories. They are due to natural causes and the causes created by man. Global warming is the main natural reason, and using harmful chemicals in everyday life is the main reason created by man. The climate is changing rapidly that result in the rise of the Earth's average temperature. The global climate change and its consequences are leaving a bad impact on the developing countries like Bangladesh. The serious consequences of climate change are rising of temperature, greenhouse effect, erratic rainfall, floods, cyclones, drought, melting of polar ice caps, etc., which seriously affect the living of the people of poorer countries. Bangladesh, for its geographical location, is likely to be the most affected. The developed nations, which are more responsible for such climate changes, should take responsibilities to protect the victim countries. A 1 meter rising of sea level will submerge about one-third of the total area of Bangladesh, which will uproot 25 to 30 million people of Bangladesh. These people will become refugees. To reduce the bad impact of climate change, people should be made aware. Plantation can reduce global warming. Avoiding the uses of harmful chemicals can reduce environmental pollution. Students should be careful to protect the environment and raise awareness. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a good time. Good luck.